Welcome to the official Giraffe Bottle Cleaning Guide, a how-to tutorial video on how to clean any of our 3 hands-free hydration systems. Let's go! We'll walk through the steps to keep your Tower, Tower XL, or Journey systems in peak condition. Depending on your use, we recommend daily cleaning or after each use, but understand that isn't always convenient. Here are some tips to help. Liquid matters. Water is the easiest liquid to maintain in your bottle system. If you're drinking liquids other than water, like coffee or herbal tea, you'll need more frequent cleaning and replacement parts. You must flush the drinking tube line with hot water immediately after you finish drinking coffee or tea. Do not let it sit overnight. If you flush your drinking tube well with water every day, you can get away with a proper scrub with the brush and soap every 2 to 3 days. There are 3 main parts to your Giraffe bottle system: the bottle, the lid, and the neck. Let's start with disassembly. The first step is to unscrew the neck from the lid, no matter which model you have. Then we want to remove the drinking tube and valves. For Tower and Tower XL models, first straighten the rigid modular neck, then pull the drinking tube completely out. Tower models have a clear tube, and Tower XL models have a blue tube. Remove the valves and set them aside. Journey users, once you unscrew the neck from the lid, your flexible tube is ready for cleaning. Just remove the bite valve and set that aside. Next up, we move to the sink for soaking and scrubbing. At the sink, disassemble the bottle and lid for a soak in warm, soapy water. Scrub with a rag or sponge. Rinse thoroughly and either wipe clean or air dry. Our clear Tritan bottles and all bottle lids are top rack dishwasher safe, offering an easy cleaning option. Our stainless steel bottles, necks, drinking tubes, and valves are not dishwasher safe. We recommend hand washing your stainless steel bottle with our silicone bottle brush to reach every corner inside. Next, it's time to clean the drinking tube itself. Keep your valves to the side, we'll get to those right after. Use the long wire bristle brush included in your kit, and insert the brush from both ends of the drinking tube to clean the entire interior. Then, rinse the drinking tube thoroughly to remove all residue. Now, a quick warning about the valves. Handle them with care to protect the seal. Never use a brush inside the clear check valve or the blue bite valve. It will ruin the seal and airtight function. Instead, soak either of the valves in hot soapy water and then flush with running water. Pinch the blue bite valve while rinsing to ensure no residue is trapped inside. For the black modular necks, do not submerge them. Simply wipe down the outer surface of the neck with a damp cloth. After you're done, set all of your components, including the neck, aside to air dry. Once all your parts are dry, it's time to reassemble your system. Let's make sure everything is sealed and secure. Journey users can skip this step. For Tower and Tower XL systems, start by straightening out the black rigid neck, then thread your drinking tube back through it. As you do that, make sure there's enough tube sticking out the other end for comfortable drinking. On the Tower system, ensure the silicone gasket, or O-ring, is sitting flat inside the lid to prevent any leaks. Now attach your valves. The clear check valve goes on the bottom for Tower systems, while the blue bite valve secures to the top of the tube for Tower XL. Finally, we recommend filling up your bottle now with your desired liquid before we show you how to reassemble all 3 neck models. Journey users, here's your time to shine. After you screw the lid to the bottle, simply thread your tube through the threaded spout on your lid. Then twist at the base of the neck to close and secure. Finally, attach your bite valve at the top end of the tube. Tower and Tower XL users can do the same. After screwing the lid back on, thread the drinking tube through the spout. Then screw the neck onto the lid's threaded spout to secure it closed. Once the entire system is reassembled, take a few sips to prime the drinking tube. Then, you're ready to begin using your Giraffe bottle system once again. Before you go, remember to stay fresh. We recommend replacing tubes and valves monthly, brushes every 3 months, and necks every 8 months. All replacement parts are available at our website, giraffebottle.com. And just a little side note, that we offer a variety of bottle holders to mount your 24 or 25-ounce Giraffe bottle accessibly, virtually anywhere. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to our channel for more Giraffe bottle content.